In our first chapter, we established what artificial intelligence is. Now we'll open the hood and look at how modern AI actually works. The systems we use today operate very differently from traditional software. Modern AI functions by identifying patterns within massive datasets, a move away from rigid instructions. This marks the start of Chapter 2, How AI Works at a High Level. Our first section explores learning instead of being told. We will walk through this transition in 5 stages: 2 ways to make a computer smart, what learning really means for a machine, the AI pipeline at a glance, narrow skill versus general intelligence, and why this matters to you. For decades, computers were limited by human capacity. Overcoming that limitation required a new strategy for handling the complexity of the real world. 1.1. 2 ways to make a computer smart. For most of computing history, a machine did exactly what a person told it to do. A programmer wrote out precise, step-by-step instructions, creating a rule-based system. If you were building a spam filter with a rule-based system, you would write specific triggers. You might tell the computer, if the subject line says "free money" in all caps, mark it as spam. That works for predictable tasks. However, spammers change their wording, misspell words on purpose, and alter their tactics daily. Rule-based systems hit a wall when the environment is constantly changing. Machine learning relies on volume. Developers feed the system thousands of emails labeled spam or not spam. The system identifies patterns, noticing which combinations of words, links, and senders show up most often to determine what spam generally looks like. Manual rule writing struggles when the data is as complex as the pixels in a face or the nuances of language. Shifting the work to pattern finding allows AI to process these intricate real-world details that are too varied for humans to code one by one. 1.2. What learning really means for a machine. The word learning is a technical description of statistical recognition. AI identifies correlations within data without the conscious comprehension humans use to understand the world. A helpful analogy is a child learning the word dog. The child isn't handed a formal rulebook detailing a dog's anatomy. Instead, they see many dogs, hear adults say the word, and gradually recognize the visual patterns until they can identify a dog they have never seen before. Applying that same concept to machines helps us separate the actual mechanics of AI from common misconceptions. Many assume that AI systems understand images or language the same way humans do, that a chatbot comprehends the meaning of a conversation, or a photo app knows the experience of a beach. In reality, AI is solely matching statistical patterns at scale. It can label a photo dog or generate a plausible sentence based on its training data, while having no inherent comprehension of those subjects. Because an AI's output can sound incredibly convincing, knowing it is just matching patterns helps users maintain a healthy skepticism when a system delivers a confident error. 1.3. The AI pipeline at a glance. This 3-step pipeline drives modern AI. Step 1. Data goes in. Thousands of labeled examples or a user prompt provide the foundation. Step 2. Pattern finding. The system searches data for repeated combinations, bundling patterns into a model. Step 3. Predictions come out as statistical guesses. 1.4. Narrow skill versus general intelligence. Because of this pipeline structure, today's AI is highly specialized. We call this narrow AI, systems engineered to execute one specific task well. This is separate from the science fiction concept of a machine that thinks flexibly across any discipline. You can see this narrow focus in action through the photo search function on your smartphone. You can search for the word beach, and the phone will surface matching pictures you never manually labeled. It successfully completes the task by relying on its narrow pattern recognition pipeline, identifying visual similarities without actually understanding what sand or water is. AI operates as a collection of specialized tools. It lacks the flexible, all-knowing nature of the brains often depicted in popular fiction. 1.5. Why this matters to you. Understanding the pattern matching pipeline changes how you evaluate AI tools. It clarifies why a system might be brilliant at one task and useless at another. This chart breaks down the practical realities of that pipeline. You can expect AI to be highly effective at working quickly across massive amounts of data and spotting patterns a person might miss. Conversely, you should expect it to struggle with situations its training data did not cover, or anything requiring actual human context. As we move forward, keep that child and dog analogy in mind. It will ground our upcoming discussions as we look deeper into the data that fuels these systems, how training actually happens, and why predictive mistakes occur. Modern AI has moved away from handwritten rules in favor of learning patterns directly from examples. It operates as a three-step statistical pipeline, taking data in, finding the patterns, and outputting predictions to create highly capable but strictly narrow predictive tools.